Morning, Forest fam. Me and Wolfie heard some crazy water sounds. We're going in. Snack! W Hap. Classic Forest, hello. Slippery. This moss has zero loyalty. Mud, 1. Me, squishy. Wolfie, smug.
Glowing trees. Nature's got RGB lighting now.
Do you hear? Flutes? Or am I losing it?
Bush looked at me funny. I looked back.
We smell like mystery and regret. Either these are mine, or we've got company. Well, nothing beats glacier fresh hydration. Whoa. Whoa, that bridge looks like a final boss level. Forrest really said, prove yourself. Wolfie's like, nope. I get it, bud. Why is it moving it like it wants me gone? I've made a lot of mistakes. This might top them. If I fall, remember me as dramatic and brave.
Bridge, defeated. Wolfie, unimpressed.
Nature turned the graphics settings all the way up.
She's unbothered. Iconic behavior.
This is like being inside a nature poem.
Skip power, activating ancient technique.
Taste test. If I vanish, you know why.
This is straight up fairyland. Base camp activated. Chill mode engaged. Mushrooms on sticks? Yes, please. Look at that sky. Nature's got flex.
Spooky forest stories, unless Wolfie gets scared.
Slept like moss royalty. Let's head home.
Secret Forest Kingdom, discovered. Mission complete.
Secret Forest Kingdom, discovered. Mission complete. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.